Here's how to do a backside flip on a fingerboard. But first, let's start off with the finger position. So for the backside flip, you want to place your middle finger at the center of the tail. Sometimes you can also place it in the middle of the edge of the tail, but it's up to you to decide where you feel most comfortable and works best for you. But personally, I prefer to place it in the center of the tail, because the more in the center of the tail you have in your middle finger, the more you're going to get more pop as well. And for the index finger, you want to place it just below the balls as usual, very similar position to a regular kickflip. And this is my placement for a backside flip. So now you got the finger position down, let's move on to the next step, shall we? Alright, so for this trick, you want to put more weight or put more pressure to your middle finger. And then you want to pop or snapping the tail down and then scoop a little bit, just like I taught you in a regular pop shove it. So after you pop and scoop the tail down, you want to make sure that your index finger is sliding through the pocket of the nose. Can you see it? It's more like a 45-degree angle. You flick towards that little pocket in the board. Just give it a light flick, it gets out of the way. Once your index finger is flicking out of the nose, you want to make sure that you're twisting your wrist as well, because that is the key to guiding the rotation on the backside flip. And then the last thing is you want to catch it with your both fingers, land it and roll away clean. It's as simple as that. Alright, so remember, let's take a little recap. Pop the tail down first, then scoop a little bit just like a pop shove it, then slide your index finger through the pocket of the nose. Make sure that you're twisting your wrist, land it and roll away. It's all about that perfect timing. So take your time with it, don't rush the process, you'll get them eventually if you just keep practicing over and over again until you ended up getting better at it. It's all about progression. Well, there you have it. Now you know on how to do a backside flip. I hope this trick tip helps you. I'll see you in the next video, and remember I taught that too. Itachi Han. You're welcome.